What if I told you that you could start a profitable online business right from your home with less than rupees 5,000? No fancy office, no investors, no tech degree, just you, your laptop, and the plan that actually works in India in 2025. Sounds exciting? Then stay with me because by the end of this video, you will have a clear step by step blueprint to start your online business, even if you are a complete beginner. And if you are serious about turning this dream into reality, I will show you how to do it, but for that, you need to join my free entrepreneur community at community.mayurnetworks.com, where you will get access to free and premium courses, templates, and real mentorship. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, it's Mayur from Mayur Networks. Welcome back to the channel. If you have been thinking about starting an online business in India but don't know where to begin, this video is for you. Here's what we will cover today: how to find a profitable niche that fits you, how to create your digital home base, your website or hub, how to attract your first customers, and how to get paid easily and professionally. So hit that like button if you are ready to build your online business from scratch, and let's get started. Let's start with a simple truth. There's never been a better time to build online. India is on fire right now when it comes to digital growth. By 2025, we'll have 900 million internet users. That's 900 million potential customers right here in our country. Even more exciting, over 70% of online purchases now happen on mobile. So, if you have got a smartphone and an internet connection, you already have what you need to start. But here is the catch: not every idea works. The people who succeed aren't the ones chasing trends, they are the ones solving real problems for specific people. There are four pillars every successful business is built on. Miss one, and the whole thing collapses. Pillar 1: problem validation. Before you build anything, ask yourself, is this solving a problem people actually care about and would pay to fix it? Talk to people, join online forums, use Google search suggestions. When you find a problem that keeps showing up, you have found gold. Pillar 2: digital hub creation. This is your website, your digital home. Think of it like your shop, but online. Every post, every ad, every social link should lead here. You can build this easily with platforms like Shopify for e-commerce or eStage if you want a more flexible hub for courses or services as we teach in our community. Pillar 3: audience attraction. Once your hub is live, you need visitors. This is where digital marketing comes in: SEO, YouTube, Instagram, email. The goal: create helpful content that solves problems and builds trust. Pillar 4: seamless monetization. Finally, you need to get paid smoothly. Use payment gateways like Razorpay or PayU. They are trusted, secure, and integrate easily with most websites. When you have all four in place, your business runs like a machine, one that works for you 24 by 7. Now, let's talk about the most crucial part: your niche. Most people fail because they try to sell to everyone. You don't need everyone, you need just your people. Here's how to find your sweet spot. Step 1: make a list of your skills, passions, and experiences. Step 2: ask who has a problem I can solve using one of these. Step 3: research if people are already searching for this online. Let's say you love coffee. Instead of opening a generic coffee store, you focus on Indian single origin beans, rare artisanal coffee for enthusiasts. Or if you are great at tech, offer a friendly tech help for seniors service in your city. That's the power of going specific. You stop competing with giants and start dominating a niche. Remember, riches are in the niches. Already, your idea is now locked. It's time to build your digital shop. And no, you don't need to be a tech wizard for this. Here's what you will need: a domain name, your website address, hosting, your website space, a clean mobile friendly design. Platforms like Shopify make e commerce easy, while eStage give you full control if you want to build a multi purpose business hub. Pro tip: choose a short, memorable domain. Something like craftnest.in is way better than buyhandmadedecor.online.in. And please don't go cheap on hosting. A 1 second delay in page load can cut your sales by 7%. That's money flying away. Your website is your digital asset. Treat it like one. Here's the truth. Even the best product won't sell if nobody knows it exists. So, your next step is getting your first visitors, and you don't need big ads to do it. You just need smart marketing. Start with content. Answer the exact questions your audience is already asking. If you sell skincare, write about how to choose the right face cream for Indian weather. If you are a freelancer, create a short video. 3 mistakes to avoid when hiring a content writer. These posts attract your ideal customers naturally. Then build your email list. Offer a simple freebie like a checklist, guide, or mini course in exchange for their email. Your email list is gold. Social media can change algorithms overnight, but your list, you own it. Use tools like ConvertKit or MailChimp to stay in touch and build trust over time. And when it comes to social media, pick one or two platforms and dominate them. If your product is visual, use Instagram. If it's educational or professional, try YouTube or LinkedIn. You don't need to be everywhere. You just need to be consistent. Okay, now come to the fun part. Let's talk about how you will actually make money. There are four proven online business models that work brilliantly in India. 1. Digital products. Create ebooks, templates, or online courses. You make it once and sell it forever. 2. Services. Sell your skills, design, consulting, social media management, coaching. This gets you cash flow quickly. 3. Affiliate marketing. Promote trusted products you already use and earn commissions. It's one of the easiest, most beginner friendly models out there. 4. Memberships or subscriptions. Create a paid community or VIP content club for recurring income. You can even mix them. For example, sell a course, offer a service, and add affiliate income on the side. The key is alignment. Your offer must solve your audience's pain points directly. Now, a quick word about payments and legality because professionalism matters. When you start getting paid regularly, register your business. Even a simple sole proprietorship works. It gives you credibility and access to gateways like Razorpay. Also, set up these must have pages on your site privacy policy, terms of service, refund policy. They not only build trust but also keep you compliant with Indian law. And don't worry about big startup costs. You can launch your entire business, domain, hosting, and platform for under rupees 5,000. That's less than a new phone, but it could build your future income stream. If you are feeling inspired but not sure how to put all this together, I have got you covered. Join my free community at community.mayurnetworks.com. Inside, you will get free and premium online courses, templates, and checklists. Direct support from me and other entrepreneurs building their own online hubs. This is your shortcut to clarity, accountability, and progress. Building an online business in India isn't just about making money, it's about freedom the freedom to work from anywhere, to create impact, to control your time and your income. And the truth is, the only thing standing between you and that freedom is starting. So here's my challenge for you. Within the next 24 hours, write down one problem you can solve and one step you will take to start. If this video gave you clarity, hit that like button, comment your niche idea below, and subscribe for more step-by-step videos every week. I'm Mayur from Mayur Networks, and I will see you inside the community where your online business journey truly begins. Bye.